Hi and welcome to Rose Kitchen and Garden. So I'm in Japan at Ueno Park to witness the cherry blossoms, and this is just beautiful. The weather is cold and it's almost single digits, but the excitement is so much. Today it's not. I mean, it was raining up until now. Now it's not raining. It's a bright open day, so there are a lot of people. Yesterday when I was at the Hibiya Park and it was raining and there was nobody, and I had good. Cherry blossom experience just by myself. Like, in the entire park, it was just me and one more person, and we helped each other click pictures. So, but today there's a lot of crowd here, and I'm at Ueno Park, and there's Ueno Zoo here, so you can bring your kids also. So it's beautiful. Let me not talk a lot, and let me just show you cherry blossoms, and you and I can together immerse in the experience. But I want to show you girls in kimono. This is the traditional Japanese dress. So let's see. You'll see them here in their kimonos. It's nice. Kimono, cherry blossom, everything Japan. So you see, these are the single petaled cherry blossoms, the 5 petals. This is the most common one. The perfect name I'll write down here somewhere, Simoa or something. But there are more, and you need to look inside. Just see this. Just let's look in here. Wow. Rows and rows of cherry blossom trees here. Let's carry on. There'll be more varieties, and I'll of course show you that once we go further. Beautiful. So, there's this place also which is very iconic. So the you see the pictures on Instagram when you put then these things also are featured. So it's a nice photo place. Let's go in and let's see. Nice, isn't it? Let's see this. This goes down. Ooh, isn't it nice? I've just turned from the straight line. Here it says some boating sign. So let's see, maybe there is some boating happening here. Looks very pretty. And then some shopping also. So let's go down and see what's happening here. There's a water body. It should be very cold there. Let's go down. I will switch off the video because I might just slip and fall. See this, so beautiful. By the lake. So beautiful, isn't it? Do you see those things? Those black, I don't know, they're called something, I don't know what it's, I can't remember now really. They're not ducks, no, they're not. The seagulls here, beautiful, really beautiful. I like places where I can see seagulls. I don't like seagulls, but you just are assured that the place is going to be cold and beautiful. That's what it's a seagull effect for me. Further down near the lake is this thrift store. See how beautiful these things are. They're like vintage things, and yeah, nice. It's selling at dirt cheap prices, of course. Beautiful. Rows and rows of, look at this. Somebody's old cars, toy cars. There's a Ganesha. You have to see a Ganesha. See that? Yeah. Weather for a hot steaming gupta. See? Lovely. There's a lot of food stalls here. This road is leading to the shrine. So it's going to the shrine. Oops. I don't know what this is. But it looks all dried up. May not be the season now. Look like lotuses. These were all lotuses. You see those seeds? Those who know. See this. How did I know it's lotus? Yeah, see this. All the lotus seeds. So I'm sure when it was winter, that's why there are no lotuses and they've dried up. Once now the season comes, the lotuses will start blooming and this pond will be covered with lotuses. Oh, look at the crabs. Sorry. Look at that. But, yeah, those are crab sticks. first pink cherry blossom that I've seen. First pink one. Let's see, there's one ahead also. Oh, nice. Yeah, pink, pink. All pink below. I think they're protecting the pink. Don't know why. Let's see this. This is how close I could go to a pink, which I thought was a cherry blossom, but the petals look different. So this is not cherry blossom. When I Google image this came as prune japonica. So like a prune blossom or a plum blossom. But whatever it is, boss, it's very beautiful. Beautiful, really. Look at this. It's windy because it's open here. But there's some market here. My exit is there. I'm going shopping after this. And let's see if I can shoot while I'm shopping. But if not, then I'm just going to immerse in the shopping experience. But right now, let me just go here and see what they have here in these stalls. Let's see. I think mostly food, but yeah, let's go and see. Food. So this was it. This was Ueno Park, Ueno Zoo. Of course, I didn't get into the zoo because Ane wasn't there with me. If he was there, I would go. But yeah, so that was the cherry blossoms at the Ueno Park. Today I am sorry. Hope you liked seeing that. And today I'm heading out now to Chichibu. This is 1.5 hours away from Tokyo. I don't know whether I know that there are parks and there's shopping and stuff, but I don't know what to expect. So if I get the opportunity, obviously I'm going to record. So I hope you like this Ueno video, and you're looking forward to the Chichibu video just as I am. So thank you so much for watching Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Bye.